This is the unboxing of the Graco Pack and Play Care Suite Corralito. Here we go. I think we're probably gonna have to read the instructions on some of this, but I think, let's see here. This will probably go like that. Okay, that makes sense. Squeeze that together. Okay. That aside. I hope this isn't too difficult to put together. My favorite is no instructions. Oh no. Oh no. What are all these pieces for? Let's just put them over here. We're gonna set them down for that. Oh no. Alright, so I'm gonna guess that this goes like that. Okay? And that this goes like this. Okay? And we'll just leave that like that for now. I'm also gonna guess that has these little pins, so everything locks into place very nicely. See that? Very nice. Very nice. They have it so where you can't really go the wrong way. Or at least that's what I'm thinking. So, go here. Snappy. And snappy. Does that look about right? I think so. So, well, we'll put that there. Box it on. And then this looks like it's just all one, oh no, all one piece. Put this to the side over here. Try to get this copy. So this will go in here. like this, just like that, just like that. Like that, like this, like that. You have to lift this back up. You push this button down here so we can get this side on here. Snapple crackle, snapple crackle. This will slide back down there. That fits nicely on top of there. Fits nicely on top of there. And we have like this safety net of sorts. And alright, so I believe that part's wrong. I believe that this needs to come back out like so. And this needs to come off. This needs to come off. And then it needs to go through here. Okay. So we got one side through. Now we got do not use a sharp knife to do this. So push that button there, and we'll go put this one in here, like so. Okay, very nice. And then we'll do the other side. So I kind of did it backwards. I don't know how to get this part back off, but before you put this on, you definitely want to put this back inside here. But we got it figured out. We made it work. We got it in. Put that in there. We go here. Squeeze this little button. And voila. I think we have something here. Now, put this back in there. Just like that. Just like that. And that is a thing. Now the other thing, I'm not sure about this thing. So let's try something else. So I have this on the wrong side. So do this, unhook this. We're gonna go ahead and switch it around. Like so. Very good. This go there. Snackle crackle there. And then this comes apart here. Another one of those push buttons. And on the inside of this, there's a slot where this is going to slide through. Just like that. Push the button and it snaps. And then the same goes for the other side. Push this button, open it up, slide it through, nice and easy. Same thing, push the button down, and it locks in. This has little elastics on it. So Velcro down, Velcro up. This is mighty sturdy. Got the catch at the bottom there, safety net. And I think that's pretty much, that's it. Oh, don't forget the Happy Baby goes on this side. Snap, snap. So, there you have it. The Graco Pack and Play Bassinet. For not having the instructions or knowing how to read English, wasn't too bad, wasn't too difficult. Seems pretty well made. Seems sturdy enough. Let's see how easy it is to take this thing apart. So I'm going to go ahead here, push this button down, pull it apart. Slide this out, one side. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put this back in and do the same to the other side. Pull that apart. Slide it out. Snap. Now that's nice and out the way. Same thing here, so this comes up, snaps off pretty simply. Push button here, up. Push button here, up. That. Pull that aside. This comes undone, unsnaps. Like that. Pull the pad up. There's a red thing. Oh. The button in here you press. Collapses down. Other side. Collapses down. Center. Collapses down. Goes there. Goes here. Some nice safety buttons here. Nice safety buttons there. make sure that when you close it, you have it open to where this handle is. So you can carry it. That stuff goes in there somehow. But that's the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helped you out. Didn't confuse you too much. I'm confused as hell. But hey, thank you for watching. Bing.